Hello, hello. My name is Mayor Martin and I am the owner of PetPeePee Company. I invented a cleaning process to clean red, Persian, Turkish, Pakistani, Indian rug from dog and cat urine odor, and I guarantee in writing, color will never run. How I do that? Allow me to explain. I put together a cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Natural cleaning product, then it is acidic. I flood the rug on the top and I vacuum from under the rug. I never use no scrubber. I never use no centrifuge machine when the rug is wet. This will prevent any color run. And of course, when the Oriental rug completely clean and the tube is completely clear, the rug will lay on the floor flat to dry. This is the key issue to eliminate any color run. PetPeePee, guarantee in writing urine odor removal, and my statement is color will never run. Guarantee. You're welcome to visit Google PetPeePee review and see what Mrs. Tamara have to say about my cleaning process. Stay tuned.
Google verified review by Tamara Boykin. PetPeePee's revolutionary cleaning technique saved my beautiful rug. My wool antique Oriental rug was completely saturated with urine odor. Every professional rug cleaner said they could clean it, but the vegetable dyes would run and the white areas would be a little pink. Martin at PetPeePee sent my rug back to me odor-free, with the colors intact, brighter and more vibrant than ever before. He provided excellent service, answering every question, making shipping effortless, staying in touch throughout the process, and even providing history I didn't know about the rug. I could not be happier with the results.
Thank you, Mrs. Tamara. I invented a cleaning process that's every Oriental rug is a challenge for me to prove to myself that my cleaning process, it's working. A cleaning process that makes sense. PetPeePee. Stay tuned and listen how the XPetPee machine vacuum all the cleaner from the top through the rug gently.
peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.